The Gauteng Provincial Government and the City of Tshwane Metropolitan Municipality, including their respective agencies, the Gauteng Growth and Development Agency, Automotive Industry Development Center, and the Tshwane Economic Development Agency, have commenced with a long-term infrastructure development that aims to establish Africa's first multi-OEM automotive city. The TAC program aims to assist the APDP vision of producing over 1 million vehicles per annum in South Africa, including to boost the localization of automotive parts and the components required in the motor industry by attracting investments in the Rosslyn and Silverton areas. This will be made possible through investing in bulk infrastructure, dedicating land for logistics and components manufacturing, securing development finance, special incentives, business rates, and other initiatives from both government and the industry. The TAC program has earmarked the parts and components manufacturing as an area of strength and opportunity within Gauteng to support the African markets in the future. The TAC has a comprehensive team of government institutions at national and provincial municipality, including property developers, the motor industry bodies through NAMSA, RMI, MIPCO, and NACAM, who continue to show support and fund the TAC initiatives. The Automotive City Development will have 8 focus areas. For the area of logistics and freight, the primary focus is to provide a world-class logistics hub to service the current industries operating within the Tshwane Automotive City Zone and to thereby attract new investments in the area. The aim will be to provide an efficient and cost-competitive freight service by both rail and road. The future option of an air freight service at Vanderboom Airport is a long-term aim. The strategy is to encourage freight movement on rail by building a logistics hub within the Tshwane Automotive City, which links directly on the Transnet freight line. The logistics hub is central to all businesses and could be built on public-owned land. The Phase 3, 4, and 5 land of the Automotive Supplier Park with on-site custom clearance, shared vehicle distribution center facility, and a truck stop amenities. Private freight-only roads are provided as part of the efficient logistics service within the Automotive. The primary focus is to provide a multimodal integrated public transport service which offers all easy access to a variety of amenities, work and to home, safely and cost-effectively. The aim will be to provide an efficient and cost-effective service that connects people to the Tshwane Automotive City by passenger rail, the Arium bus rapid transport system, the internal taxi system and bus service, by non-motorized transport such as bicycles, etc. And finally, for people to feel safe and comfortable to walk in this city. The strategy is to encourage transit-oriented development. The strategy will be to improve the stations and amenities to provide people with high-quality rail stations with a safe and punctual service. Another focus of the project will be to create a city that's built on education, knowledge, skills development, and growth. The main aim will be to develop a strong skills development base of employees, educators, small, medium, and micro-sized enterprises, innovators, and researchers based on providing an education system that encourages the youth from early learning schools to university into the automotive industry. This creates a sense of pride and loyalty. The strategy is to encourage a strong foundation on education and skills development and have a strong partnership between the educational institutions and OEMs. The first strategy will be to create learning precincts with specially designed curricula that are aligned with the automotive industry. The TAC will be a green city where the focus is to create a city that could supplement peak demands in energy consumption, harnessing renewable energy. The aim will be to provide a zone which would harness solar power to be fed into the grid, create urban agriculture zones which assist in food security, manage water resources, both wetland and management of stormwater, and build waste to energy plants. The strategy is to create a symbiotic ecosystem of energy capture and reuse between the time peaks of industry and residential use. A 3-kilometer radius zone becomes a renewable energy neighborhood. As for local business growth and development, the primary focus will be to create a city that could become economically self-sufficient through a diversified and growing economic base. The aim is to create a healthy economy and increased employment opportunities. The strategy is to harness existing economic opportunities, mostly from large OEMs, to develop smaller businesses, component manufacturers, and service businesses. The strategy is also to create a new variety of productive landscapes, introducing business parks, office environments, and mixed use of developments into a largely industrial area. The TSC is also a smart city with the primary focus on creating a city that is a leader in the use and application of smart technologies that support sustainable and resilient development. The potential for technology and digital connectivity to positively impact on people and their environments is the main focus of a smart automotive city. The strategy is to mobilize smart transport initiatives that are energy and time efficient and that exemplify the city's role as an innovation leader and early adopter. The policy will be to research and highlight initiatives that make use of technology to plan and manage more efficient cities as the TSC becomes more established. Within the automotive city, the focus is to create a variety of housing opportunities at an appropriate minimum density that cater for a mix of income and family types, allowing the automotive city to grow its resident economic base, which will in turn support retail and service businesses. A variety of quality housing typologies may attract a wider demographic as well as more skilled specialized workers and researchers to locate within the automotive city area instead of commuting from other centers. Housing is rationalized around transit-orientated development precincts, creating walkable dense nodes, complete with mixed-use retail environments, intermodal transit connections, and recreational and sports facilities. The automotive city aims to create a living city where public space is valued and adds value. The public realm forms an important part of the overall automotive city vision as it signifies and illustrates the intent of the automotive city as an integrated city with a quality public space and connectivity system. The project aims to promote the intensive use of public spaces as supporters of economic activity, generators of recreational activity, and destination places. This is done through conceptualizing public realm as a system of interconnected and accessible places, each with its unique role and character within the city. Unlike other automotive cities, the TSC is the world's first multi-original equipment manufacturer automotive city, has over 52% brownfield land within the boundaries, has competitive logistics and connectivity opportunities, including the airport, Pyramid South, the K217 and the K6, a young population demographic with the majority of population being youth, a planned automotive university, R&D and testing track facilities, a planned automotive city park, museum and conference centers, a planned eco-hotel within Ondersteport Nature Reserve. The TSC vision is to build a globally competitive and transformed automotive manufacturing city, truly a first in South Africa and the world.